Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix open parentheses HY000 forward slash 1045 close parentheses colon access denied for user space apostrophe root apostrophe at apostrophe localhost apostrophe space open parentheses using password colon space yes close parentheses space PHPMyAdmin and XAMPP application here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to open your File Explorer. So simply tap it to open, or you can simply use your button search bar to open it. Okay. Once you have opened it, proceed with your local disk or C drive and look for a file folder named XAMPP. Just have to double tap to it. And here you need to scroll down and look for a file folder which is PHPMyAdmin. Double tap to it. Okay. And once you have double tapped it, you need to look for this config.inc.php. Okay. So just have to do a right click, please, and go with edit in Notepad. Click on it. And the moment you have the click on it, you would be able to see all of such. Where here you need to look for password. Okay. Password, we're aligning to that. You would be able to see the password here. In my case, I don't have such. But in your case, if you have, since you're facing an error, you just have to delete it. So let's say, for example, if you have the put a value which is 0000, which is your password, just have to click on backspace to delete it. And once you have deleted it, go with File and go with Save. Once you have saved such, close this window and close this File Explorer window as well and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.